Hello everyone, welcome to a new session for Computer Science 2. This session is to go over test 1 in brief and give you some information that will help you prepare for the test. Review for test 1. So you need to know that this test is for chapters 6 to 14. For chapters 6 to 12, we are going to have true, false, multiple choice, and basically it. Along with chapters 13 to 14, we are going to have true, false, multiple choice, knowledge, and programming. So we're going to have a programming question. So this is the plan. Let me give you some info about the test itself first. So the test is due Friday, the 3rd February. And it's going to be 2 hours or 120 minutes. It's going to have 25 questions. And those questions are 20 true, false, and multiple choice. You are going to have 4 knowledge questions, like definitions, like what is X or what is Y. And 1 programming. So programming, basically, the question is gonna be like a homework, like an assignment. Provide a program that does this and that, or displays this, or reads it from a file. And what else do you need to know? Let me see. It's over 10 points eventually, based on the syllabus. Test 1 is over 10 points. Multiple attempts are not allowed. So no multiple attempts. You only have one attempt basically. Multiple attempt. You are going to see one question at a time. So although you have 25 questions, but you are going to view one question at a time. So instead of having a list of questions that you scroll up and down, you are going to see one question and then you have a next button. You can go back. So questions are not locked. And what else do you need to know? You also need to know that I provided you with practice quizzes. So chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. There are multiple choice and true-false questions for each chapter. You can practice these as much as you want. They are not graded. Now the 20 questions that are graded inside test 1 are from these questions. So out of these questions, for example, you see here you have 46, 54, 38, 46, 47. So out of these questions, I'm gonna pick 20 and put them in test 1. Then you have 4 knowledge and 1 programming. All are over 10 points. So the 20 true, false, and multiple choice are over 5 points. so 2.25 each. Then you have 4 knowledge, which is 1 point each. And then you have, knowledge is 0.5 each. So the 4 are over 2 points. And then 1 programming question, which is over 3 points. So let me draw it here. You have 20 true, false, multiple choice, 0.5 points each. You have 4 knowledge, 0.5 points each, and you have 1 programming, 3 points each. Now for the programming, very important point is you are allowed to use Visual Studio. So for the true, false, and multiple choice, you are not allowed. For the knowledge, you are not allowed. But for the programming, you are allowed. So basically, when you read the programming question, provide a program that does this and that, you basically open Visual Studio, write the program, debug your program, meaning step through, run, rerun, etc. Once you are done and you are confident enough that this is what the question is asking, this is a requirement, you basically copy the code from Visual Studio and paste it into test one browser. So through the website, basically, you're gonna have the website open. So that's basically it. Keep in mind that Canvas will tell the professor whether you changed screens or minimized screen or using a different software or opened Google. So in the multiple choice and true false, you are not allowed to use Visual Studio. Basically, you're not allowed to minimize your screen and open a different software. Similar for the knowledge part, you are not allowed to minimize the screen and open a different software. For the programming section, you are allowed to open Visual Studio and do your program. So please stick to the rules. And this is it for the test. We are going to have another session this week for a lab. No lecture this week because it's the test one week. But we're gonna try to provide the opportunity and chance to gain extra credit. So we might do a lab. This is due Friday, so sometime between Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday, I will post the lab. So again, good luck and let me know if you have any questions.